What is up, traders, friends and family, stock market enthusiasts from around the world? Hope you're doing magical. It's Jeremy Alexander Newsom with your Monday Stock Review. Let's get into it. First on the list is NVIDIA, NVDA. NVIDIA, big request for this week. Earnings right around the corner. Double bottom right over here. Moving averages still pointing to the upside. We are making higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, if you're playing NVIDIA bullish, you have an inside candle off the 100 with a good close on Friday. You'll find out this week if you're right or wrong. Earnings are around the corner, and as long as earnings on NVIDIA do not open below 518.38, I think she'll go a little bit higher. Coinbase getting absolutely disheveled. So just a few days ago, in fact, roll the tape. That was the analysis from the stock review that's free on our YouTube channel just days ago. A lot of traders taking advantage of that analysis by either selling their longs or implementing a short opportunity via put options on Coinbase. Starting to go lower. They're offering a bond right now, and their stocks are going to drop a little bit more, most likely down to about the 230 area, 220 area. So again, for me personally, not touching any shares of Coinbase until it gets down into that price. And when I do, it'll only be one or two, literally one or two. I still think it's a little bit overvalued. I'm a fan of the company. I know exactly how they make money. I use them frequently. I'll buy them more, but at a later price and time. Apps, building a beautiful, beautiful pennant pattern. Keep your eyes on this one. Inside day candle, 3 days in a row. Get ready for a pop in one direction or another very, very soon. The trade desk, same exact thing. Right now, the trend is bearish on this one. We did have a good gap down. On the daily, it's bearish. The weekly, it's bearish. You have the long-term moving average, the 100, the only thing propping this thing up right now. So watch it this week for some type of continuation lower. Ethereum is finally pulling back. I think anyone who knows anything about the crypto markets realized that the top was in days ago on Ethereum. So I did get trailed out of my position. I did attempt to sell most of my position at 44444. It didn't quite happen. So some more selling is going to come in on Ethereum. I got some limit buys out there as the ones you can see on the screen. Locked in a very, very, very handsome profit on Ethereum. So now rinse and repeat. Buy low, sell high. I love the coin. I'm glad it's pulling back. I love all the projects, everything that Ethereum is doing. But yeah, definitely on this one, buy it a little bit lower, along with most other cryptos. All right, last but not least, AMD. Got to give a shout out to one of my coaching students, Chris Stanley. Look at this piece of work that my boy Chris Stanley did on AMD. Nice win on the day. He traded it later in the afternoon once all the moving averages have done their thing. This is a entry long. He's playing the Momo indicator on the 3-minute chart on AMD. It went long. He bought, and granted, he did buy a little on the high side, but hey, hindsight's 2020. Next time, Chris, big, ginormous, huge bull candle like that comes in on AMD, buy halfway into that candle. Would have saved you probably about 10 cents or so. So anyway, good entry, got in long after the signal and held through the retracement. Great job. Him and I have been working on that. And then trade up higher. This is late in the day, right towards market close. And he exited right there on that nice bull pop, selling into strength, closing it for 37 cents, which if you did 1,000 shares is $370 in the course of an hour, maybe, sitting around doing what you like in the afternoon after you got your day's work done. Ladies and gentlemen, you can create cash flow through day trading, even if you have a full-time job or multiple businesses like my boy Chris Stanley. You don't have to trade early in the morning. You can carve out some cash later in the day. It's easy. Trading is as hard as you want it to be. My friends, thanks so much for tuning in. You rock. I will see you on Wednesday. And until then, love life, live life, trade it. Bye.